Neurologists now say that people struck by lightning have a tendency to become musicians. I was struck by lightning on a mountain climb in a group. I was 12 years old. It was on Mount Marcy, the highest mountain in New York State. My education in classical music began in Berkeley, California in 1968. It was an amazing time, both in my life and in the life of this country. In Berkeley, at age 17, I met for the first time my uncle, Kenneth Miller Franz. This changed my life. He was an expressionist painter of the San Francisco Renaissance, and he was the best friend of Brother Antoninus, the poet. 12 of his paintings are presented in my book for the first time. I gave a talk a few years ago about his paintings. Are they the product of an American primitive? The first impression that one gets looking at his paintings. The first third of the book is about times with my uncle in California. The rest is about my first time living in Paris and about studying at the Juilliard School in an incredible atmosphere I will always treasure. My great uncle was Otto Harbach. He was the greatest Broadway playwright in the 1920s and taught Oscar Hammerstein III. I went on to become the most prolific composer for ballet in the US in the 1980s, and I'm now an opera composer. But I wrote this book to try to recapture the times of my education in music in Berkeley, California, Paris, France, and at the Juilliard School. And the years of my education have a surprise ending.